Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 8484, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 8484, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 8484 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 8484 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 8484 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 8484? Angel number 8484 represents stability, transformation, and the manifestation of long-term success through effort and inner wisdom. The number 8 brings power, financial growth, and karmic balance, while the number 4 symbolizes discipline, order, and strong foundations. Repeating these numbers amplifies their influence, suggesting that you're being divinely supported in building a life rooted in purpose and integrity. This number is a message to stay grounded, trust the process, and remain committed to your goals. Your angels are guiding you to create lasting prosperity, emphasizing that perseverance and trust in divine timing will lead to fulfilling achievements. What's the symbolism of angel number 8484? Angel number 8484 symbolizes structure, abundance, and divine intervention in material and spiritual progress. The number 8 symbolizes authority, manifestation, and karma, while 4 represents hard work, stability, and dedication. When paired and repeated, these numbers encourage you to take control of your path, grounded in responsibility and supported by divine forces. The sequence also symbolizes balance between ambition and discipline, suggesting that success will come through measured actions. It's a reminder that spiritual protection is surrounding you as you make important decisions about your future, urging you to maintain both vision and practical steps toward your goals. What is the angel number 8484 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 8484 encourages you to ground your divine purpose in real-world action. The number 8 reflects spiritual law, karma, and soul empowerment, while the 4 brings focus on service, order, and life mission. Together, they suggest a sacred call to build something meaningful, whether a career, relationship, or spiritual legacy, that honors both your material and spiritual needs. It's a sign that your angels are with you as you navigate challenges, encouraging you to trust your inner wisdom. You are being asked to align your actions with spiritual values and trust that your efforts will be divinely rewarded. What does the angel number 8484 mean for love? In love, angel number 8484 suggests a strong foundation, mutual commitment, and emotional growth. It reflects the need for stability, honesty, and maturity in romantic relationship. The 8 energy promotes loyalty and long-term vision, while the 4 encourages reliability and emotional security. If you're in a relationship, it signals a time to strengthen your bond through shared goals and open communication. If you're single, 8484 may indicate that a dependable, purposeful partner is on the horizon. Overall, this number supports love that is both grounded and enduring, built on trust, shared values, and a clear sense of emotional direction. What does angel number 8484 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 8484 represents a critical period of alignment, preparation, and building a secure foundation for union or reunion. The dual 8s indicate a karmic connection with strong spiritual growth, while the 4s emphasize responsibility and practical steps needed for the relationship to thrive. This number suggests that both individuals are being guided to heal, evolve, and stabilize their own lives before progressing together. It may signal temporary distance but with a divine purpose, to strengthen the individual paths before merging. Ultimately, 8484 is a sign of destined love that requires patience, effort, and inner work. What does angel number 8484 for manifestation? Angel number 8484 is a powerful sign for manifestation through structure and focused intention. The number 8 brings energy for attracting success, wealth, and leadership, while 4 grounds those ambitions with hard work and consistency. This angel number tells you that your goals are within reach, but they require planning, discipline, and a clear vision. You're encouraged to set practical steps toward your dreams and trust the universe to meet your efforts with opportunities. Stay positive, organized, and persistent. Your thoughts and actions are shaping your reality. Angelic support surrounds you as you build a life aligned with your true desires. How does angel number 8484 affect finances? Angel number 8484 is strongly connected to financial stability and smart money management. The number 8 brings abundance, business acumen, and material achievement, while the 4 emphasizes planning, frugality, and a solid work ethic. Together, these numbers signal that success is possible through consistent, grounded financial strategies. This may be a time to reevaluate budgets, make long-term investments, or seek career advancement. It also cautions against impulsive decisions and encourages building wealth slowly but surely. Your angels are affirming that you are on the right path financially, especially if you continue making responsible, growth-focused choices. What does angel number 8484 mean for former relationships? Angel number 8484 brings healing and wisdom from past relationships. It suggests that your former connections taught you important lessons about self-worth, boundaries, and emotional structure. The number 8 points to karmic cycles, while the 4 emphasizes what was, or wasn't, stable in the relationship. If you're still emotionally tied to someone from your past, this number urges you to let go with forgiveness and understanding. Closure may be on the horizon, or a renewed sense of inner peace. Moving forward, 8484 helps you recognize what you truly need in love, security, clarity, and shared commitment. How does angel number 8484 guide your work life? In career matters, 8484 is a strong indicator of leadership, productivity, and long-term success through discipline. The energy of 8 supports financial and professional advancement, while 4 emphasizes structure, planning, and loyalty to your work. This number encourages you to step into roles that match your skills and values, possibly involving management, entrepreneurship, or service. It's also a reminder to focus on steady progress rather than quick wins. If you're feeling stagnant, now is the time to reassess your goals and implement a strategy. The angels are guiding you to build a rewarding and purpose-driven work life. What are the strengths of angel number 8484? Angel number 8484 carries the strengths of determination, responsibility, and balanced ambition. Individuals influenced by this number are often reliable, disciplined, and capable of turning long-term visions into reality. The repeated 8s give them leadership, resilience, and financial intuition, while the 4s offer a practical, detail-oriented approach. They can thrive in structured environments and are often respected for their integrity and work ethic. Spiritually, they are grounded yet connected to higher truth. This number also promotes strong decision-making and the ability to create sustainable success, both materially and emotionally, through inner wisdom and consistent effort. What are the weaknesses of angel number 8484? Despite its strengths, 8484 may also reflect rigidity, overworking, or fear of change. The disciplined energy of 4, when unbalanced, can lead to stubbornness or perfectionism, while the 8's drive for success can result in workaholism or obsession with material gain. People influenced by this number might resist spontaneity or become overly cautious, missing out on creative opportunities. There may also be a tendency to suppress emotions or struggle with vulnerability. Recognizing these traits helps in fostering more balance. Embracing flexibility, rest, and emotional openness can soften the intensity of 8484, allowing its full potential to shine.